Hello, beautiful soul. Welcome to Infinite Manifestations. Today we are here to talk about one of the most powerful gateways to the spiritual realm, the third eye. This mystical center of energy, located between the eyebrows, holds the key to unlocking profound insights into the nature of reality and the universe itself. But the path to unlocking this third eye is not an easy one. It requires dedication, patience, and a deep commitment to spiritual growth. So if you are ready to embark on this journey, I invite you to join me on a quest to unlock the secrets of the third eye. The third eye is a mystical concept that has fascinated humankind for thousands of years. Its history and cultural significance are deeply rooted in the spiritual beliefs of different cultures and religions around the world. From ancient Hinduism to modern-day New Age spirituality, the third eye has been revered as a powerful symbol of intuition, wisdom, and enlightenment. In Hinduism, the third eye is known as the Ajna chakra, which translates to the command center in Sanskrit. It is depicted as a lotus flower with two petals, representing the duality of the physical and spiritual worlds. The third eye is believed to be the seat of intuition and insight, and when it is activated, one can experience a deep sense of inner awareness and spiritual awakening. Buddhism also recognizes the third eye as a symbol of spiritual awakening and enlightenment. In Buddhist art, the third eye is depicted as a dot or symbol on the forehead of the Buddha, representing the awakened state of consciousness that he attained. The opening of the third eye is also seen as a crucial step on the path to enlightenment in Buddhism. The ancient Egyptians also recognized the significance of the third eye, representing it as the Eye of Horus, a powerful symbol of protection and healing. The Eye of Horus was believed to have the power to see beyond the physical realm and into the spiritual world, providing a heightened sense of awareness and insight. In modern-day New Age spirituality, the third eye is often referred to as the seat of the soul, representing the gateway to higher states of consciousness and spiritual awakening. The opening of the third eye is believed to bring about a range of strange and mystical experiences, including vivid dreams, heightened intuition, and even the ability to see beyond the physical realm. But it's not just in spirituality that the third eye has significance. In neuroscience, the third eye is associated with the pineal gland, a small gland located in the brain that regulates the body's circadian rhythms and produces melatonin. Some researchers believe that the pineal gland may play a role in spiritual experiences and altered states of consciousness. Now, the history and cultural significance of the third eye are vast and deeply rooted in the spiritual beliefs of different cultures and religions around the world. Whether you believe in its mystical power or see it as a symbol of spiritual awakening, the third eye represents a gateway to higher states of consciousness and spiritual insight. May you continue to seek the wisdom and truth that lies within you, and may your journey be filled with blessings and enlightenment. I'm going to be revealing to you every detail for you that you need to master this method, so please make sure that you take some time out to watch this video in full, and I'm super excited to share this with you. Let's begin with the significance of the third eye. It is the gateway to the soul, the key to unlocking the secrets of the universe, the bridge between the physical and spiritual realms. It is the center of intuition, perception, and spiritual insight, and it holds within it the power to connect us to the divine. The third eye, also known as the sixth chakra, sits at the center of the forehead, between the eyebrows. It is the seat of consciousness, where the physical and spiritual planes merge, and where we can gain access to higher levels of awareness and insight. Unlocking the third eye means unlocking your true potential. It is the pathway to enlightenment, the doorway to a deeper understanding of yourself, the world around you, and the mysteries of the universe. With an open third eye, you can tap into your intuition, access your psychic ability, and connect to the divine energy that flows through all things. When your third eye is awakened, you will experience a heightened sense of awareness, a deeper understanding of the interconnectedness of all things, and a sense of oneness with the universe. You will see things that others cannot see, hear things that others cannot hear, and feel things that others cannot feel. You will be able to tap into the energy of the universe and use it to manifest your desires and bring your dreams to fruition. But unlocking the third eye is not easy. It requires dedication, discipline, and a willingness to face your fears and doubts. You must be willing to let go of your ego and surrender to the flow of the universe. You must be willing to embrace the unknown, to trust in your intuition, and to let go of the need for control. However, the rewards of opening your third eye are immeasurable. You will experience a profound sense of peace, joy, and fulfillment. You will be able to live your life with purpose and meaning, and you will be able to manifest your dreams with ease and grace. So, the third eye is a powerful tool for spiritual growth and transformation. It is the key to unlocking the secrets of the universe and accessing higher levels of consciousness. So, my dear friend, I urge you to unlock your third eye and unlock your true potential. The universe is waiting for you. The first step on this journey is to understand the nature of the chakras, the 7 energy centers that run along the spine. The third eye is located at the 6th chakra, which is associated with intuition, perception, and wisdom. By opening and activating this chakra, we can gain access to higher states of consciousness and unlock the hidden powers of the mind. But what does it mean to open the third eye? What strange and wondrous things can we expect to experience when this mystical gateway is unlocked? Well, the signs of an opening third eye can vary from person to person, but some common experiences include vivid dreams, heightened intuition, a sense of deep spiritual connection, and even psychic abilities. You may also begin to see the world in a new way. Colors may seem brighter, sounds may seem clearer, and the world may take on a mystical and otherworldly quality. But these are just the beginning stages of a much larger journey. Once the third eye is fully activated, you may experience a profound spiritual awakening that transforms your entire reality. You may begin to see the interconnectedness of all things and gain insights into the mysteries of the universe that were previously hidden from view. If you want to learn more about the third eye, spiritual awakening, and enlightenment, please like this video and don't forget to subscribe. So how do we go about opening the third eye? There are many different techniques that can be used, including meditation, yoga, visualization, and energy work. One powerful method is known as the third eye opening visualization, which involves focusing your attention on the third eye chakra and using visualization and intention to activate it. But regardless of the technique you choose, the most important thing is to approach this journey with an open heart and an open mind. Remember that the path to spiritual enlightenment is a never-ending one, and that there is always more to learn and discover. So if you are ready to unlock the secrets of the third eye, I invite you to join me on this journey of self-discovery and spiritual awakening. Let us together unlock the full potential of our minds and explore the mysteries of the universe that lie beyond our limited perception. What is the third eye visualization? The third eye visualization is a powerful technique that allows us to access the mystical realm of our inner selves. It is a practice that involves focusing our mind's eye on the area between our eyebrows, where the third eye chakra is located. By doing so, we can activate this energy center, awaken our intuition, and connect with our higher self. Visualizing our third eye is not just about seeing an imaginary eye in our mind's eye. It's a deeper practice that involves tapping into the infinite potential of our consciousness. As we visualize our third eye, we begin to cultivate a deeper sense of awareness and understanding of our own existence. Through the third eye visualization, we can gain access to higher states of consciousness, allowing us to see beyond the physical realm and into the spiritual world. We can also tap into our inner guidance and receive insights and wisdom that can help us on our life journey. As we practice the third eye visualization, we may experience strange sensations, such as tingling in the forehead, pressure between the eyebrows, or even seeing flashes of light. These are all signs that our third eye is opening, and we are beginning to connect with the divine energy that flows through us. The third eye visualization is a tool for spiritual awakening, enlightenment, and self-discovery. It allows us to access our inner wisdom and unlock the mysteries of the universe. So, if you are looking to tap into your inner potential and access the spiritual realm, start practicing the third eye visualization today. Open your mind's eye and watch as the world around you transforms into a mystical and magical wonderland. Again, the third eye visualization is not just a technique, but a journey of self-discovery and spiritual awakening. It can help you unlock your true potential and tap into the infinite wisdom and knowledge of the universe. So take the time to practice this powerful technique and explore the depths of your own consciousness and inner being. There are several misconceptions and myths surrounding the third eye, and it's essential to clarify these misunderstandings to gain a proper understanding of this powerful energy center. One of the most common misconceptions is that the third eye is a physical eye that we can see with our naked eyes. However, this is not true. The third eye is an energy center that is located in the pineal gland of our brain, which is responsible for regulating our sleep patterns and circadian rhythms. It's not a physical eye that can see, but rather a spiritual and energetic center that can help us connect with higher realms of consciousness. Some people believe that opening the third eye is dangerous or can lead to negative experiences. However, when done correctly and with the guidance of a qualified teacher or mentor, opening the third eye can be a transformative and life-changing experience. It's essential to approach this process with respect and mindfulness, and to trust our intuition and inner guidance. Maintaining a healthy third eye is crucial if you want to tap into the infinite potential and spiritual wisdom it holds. Here are some tips that can help you keep your third eye healthy. 1. Get enough sleep. Lack of sleep can negatively affect your overall health, including your third eye. Make sure you get enough restful sleep every night to allow your mind and body to heal and rejuvenate. 2. Eat a healthy diet. What you eat affects your physical and spiritual well-being. Consume foods that are rich in nutrients, such as fruits, vegetables, whole grains, and lean proteins to keep your third eye healthy. 3. Practice meditation. Meditation is a powerful tool that can help you quiet your mind and focus your attention. Regular meditation can help you enhance your intuition and connect with your inner self. 4. Avoid negative energy. Negative energy can block your third eye and affect your spiritual health. Surround yourself with positive and uplifting people and avoid toxic relationships and environments. 5. Use essential oils. Essential oils like frankincense, lavender, and sandalwood have been used for centuries to enhance spiritual awareness and intuition. You can diffuse these oils in your home, add them to your bath, or apply them topically to help open and balance your third eye. By incorporating these practices into your daily routine, you can maintain a healthy third eye and unlock its full potential for spiritual growth and enlightenment. So, the third eye is not just a mystical concept, but a powerful tool that can transform your life. By tapping into this inner vision, you can unleash your creativity, enhance your problem-solving abilities, and accelerate your spiritual growth. Let me share with you some practical applications of the third eye and how you can use them to manifest your dreams and achieve your goals. Firstly, let's talk about creativity. The third eye is the seat of intuition and imagination, and by activating it, you can access a vast reservoir of creative energy. Whether you're an artist, a writer, or a musician, you can use the third eye to unlock new ideas and insights and to connect with your inner muse. To do this, take some time each day to sit in silence, focus your attention on your third eye, and allow your mind to wander. You'll be amazed at the creative gems that emerge from this inner journey. Secondly, let's talk about problem solving. The third eye is not just a source of inspiration, but also a powerful analytical tool. By activating this inner vision, you can access higher levels of perception and insight, and gain a deeper understanding of complex problems. This can help you to make better decisions, identify hidden opportunities, and overcome obstacles that might have seemed insurmountable. To use the third eye for problem solving, simply focus your attention on the issue at hand and allow your intuition to guide you towards the solution. Finally, let's talk about spiritual growth. The third eye is the gateway to higher consciousness, and by activating it, you can accelerate your spiritual evolution. This inner vision allows you to see beyond the limitations of the physical world and to connect with the divine essence that lies within all things. By tapping into this inner wisdom, you can gain a deeper understanding of yourself and the universe and unlock the full potential of your spiritual journey. To activate the third eye for spiritual growth, practice meditation and focus your attention on the third eye center. You can also use visualization techniques, such as imagining a beam of light entering your third eye or visualizing the symbol of the third eye. With practice, you will begin to experience profound insights, mystical visions, and a deep sense of spiritual connection. In conclusion, the third eye is not just a mystical concept, but a powerful tool that can transform your life. By tapping into this inner vision, you can unlock your creativity, enhance your problem-solving abilities, and accelerate your spiritual growth. So, take some time each day to focus on your third eye and watch as your life begins to unfold in miraculous ways. I want to remind you of the incredible power that lies within you. Your third eye is a gateway to a world beyond what we can see with our physical eyes, and with the right tools and techniques, you can unlock its full potential. Remember to take care of yourself, to nurture your body, mind, and spirit. Feed yourself with positive energy and surround yourself with uplifting people and experiences. Trust your intuition, trust your inner wisdom, and let it guide you on your path. I encourage you to continue exploring the depths of your being, to embrace your unique gifts and talents, and to shine your light brightly for the world to see. You have the power to manifest your dreams and create the life you desire. Thank you for joining me on this journey, and may your third eye continue to guide you on your path to enlightenment and self-discovery. Be open to receive, and I hope to see you in my future.